In this video, we show how to edit existing projects, change individual items, and how to share projects. To edit the project, we first click on the name of the project to get into the project level. At this level, you can add a description to the project. On the right, you can see when the project was created and how many items are included in the project. If you want to work on the project with several people, you can invite other participants. Further down, we find the selected items. When I move the mouse over the image, the product is highlighted in a larger size. Next to it, you find the reference number and the article description. You can change the quantity of the products you want to order with an identical inscription. Clicking on Edit opens a menu which allows to edit the article again, duplicate it or delete it from the project. If you now want to create the configuration PDF, it is sufficient to mark the products with the plus button. Clicking the Save button immediately generates the corresponding configuration PDF.